Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and today discuss here a fill pattern. Okay guys, today fill pattern is discussed here, and all is process and all is method is today learn here. And today discuss here Solidworks lecture 36. And guys, Solidworks all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, fill pattern is very easily learn here, and let's start here. Okay 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 this is our Solidworks software interface, and this command is a all command is not active. At first select a plane is a front plane, and sketch any simple geometry and draw here, or draw a center rectangle. Okay, and exit and extrude boss, and thickness is 10 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this face is select here and draw a any. Okay, this is a perfect, and then use a fill pattern. Okay, and mention this diameter is 110. Okay, all is perfect, and exit and extrude boss. Okay, this is a this. Okay, reverse direction is correct. Okay, and again select this face and sketch, and okay, this is a, and again select this point and this point and draw a line. Then this is a block. Okay, and exit and extrude boss. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay very nice. And also this is a mirror, and select a plane is this face, and again this. Okay, this is a middle, and click OK, and this body is a mirror. Okay, this is a, and a feature, this is a mirror. Okay, all is perfect. This is a hide. Okay, Control Z, undo is perfect, and this plane is hide. Okay, all is correct. This body is drawing here, and then use a, at first this face is select here, sketch normal. Okay, and draw a any circle is a draw here. This is a perfect, and exit and use a extrude cut. Then okay, this is a perfect, and this is a use a fill pattern. Okay, all command is fill pattern is discussed here, and click a fill pattern, and then at first select a this face. Okay, fill boundary means this face is select here, and pattern layout is this layout is a this layout is a perforation, and this is a circular, and this is a square, and this is a polygon. four type of pattern layout is you can see here, and this first is a perforation and all is a discuss here, and this is a, and at first select fill boundary and then second select a feature. Okay, features and face selected feature. Okay, and this feature is select here, and this is a this and cut. Okay, all is perfect drawing here, and click OK, and again select this is a perforation, and again this is a perforation, and this pattern is a circular, this is a circular pattern, and also this is a increase and decrease. Okay, this thickness, this is a distance is okay, and this again a square, this pattern, and this polygon is this. Okay, perforation is a this pattern is a correct. Okay, this is better, and select this and again select this fill pattern, and use this face. Okay, this face is select here, and this is a click this. Okay, and at first select this face and then use this second is created seed cut. Okay, this is a you can look very nice, and pattern is also change here, and also this is a circle, and this square and diamond cut, and this is a polygon also changeable. This is a very nice looking here, and also changeable, and this a polygon is this. Okay, all is perfect looking a best, and polygon is okay, this is a perfect, all is looking here, and this of white and color is change here. Okay, this color is a okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, blue color is also okay, this color is also this is a perfect. Okay, this color is a very nice looking here. Okay, and this isometric view is also drawing here. Okay, this is isometric view is looking so nice. Okay, this is a perfect body. Okay, okay, okay guys. Guys, fill pattern is discussed here, and all is complete here, and all process and all method is learned here easily, and I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.